Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate the free SVG wave backgrounds for your projects. You don't even need to log in anywhere in order to do this process. All you need is just simply open any of the browser over any of your device, and in the search bar you need to search for SVG wave. Once you do that, once you search for SVG wave generator, here you're gonna see this website which says svgwave.in. Just simply go over there, and once you do that, here you can see the different parameters for the same. Now from here you can change the parameters according to your need, and you can generate the SVG wave backgrounds according to the need. Once you are satisfied with the settings, just all you need to do is to just simply hit generate, and once you do that you can see you can export it in the form of SVG or the PNG form as well. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.